Welcome to AI Explains It All. In today's episode, we're diving into a delicious topic, the science of cooking. Cooking is an art, but it's also a fascinating science. Whether you're baking a cake or grilling a steak, there's a lot happening at the molecular level. Let's start with heat. When you apply heat to food, you're essentially speeding up the movement of molecules. This process, called thermal conduction, transforms raw ingredients into delicious meals by altering their texture, flavor, and nutritional content. One of the most important chemical reactions in cooking is the Maillard reaction. This occurs when proteins and sugars in food react under high heat, creating complex flavors and aromas. It's what gives grilled meat its savory taste and golden brown color. Ever wondered how mayonnaise or salad dressing stays creamy? That's thanks to emulsification. An emulsifier, like egg yolk, helps mix oil and water into a stable blend, giving you that smooth texture. Caramelization is another tasty reaction. When you heat sugar, it melts and then breaks down into a variety of flavorful compounds, giving caramel its rich, sweet taste. This process is key in baking and candy making. Cooking is truly a blend of art and science. Understanding the chemistry behind it can help you become a better cook and make your food even more delicious. Thanks for watching AI Explains It All. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating explanations. Have a topic you want us to cover? Drop it in the comments below. Happy cooking! See you in the next episode.